So I recently got this email from one of the guys who is asking me exactly what is WordPress. How do you define WordPress as a platform for building website? And he's asking what is the difference between the two forms, which is WordPress.com and WordPress.org. He's also asking whether he should be going for WordPress.org as a platform if he is willing to blog on a serious level. He's also asking that how he will be able to make money, or if he's serious about making money online through blogging in long term, what platform should he be choosing upon? And that is what I'm going to be discussing in this vlog episode. So stay tuned and let's dive into that in 3, 2, 1, and now. So first I'm going to be discussing the difference between the two platforms. Before we jump into how you can have your website, first let's understand which platform you should be selecting and what are the pros and cons for both of them, WordPress.com and WordPress.org. So let's dive into that. WordPress.com or WordPress.org? Which one should I go for? Can you please help me? Please? Alright, welcome back guys. Let's first figure out what WordPress.org is. WordPress.org is basically a self-hosted WordPress blog. Alright, and if you are planning, straight away I'm telling you, to your face, alright, looking into your face I'm telling you, if you are planning a future in blogging, and if you are planning a future and if you are serious enough with your building your website, with your online business, WordPress.org would be an option, alright? Now I'm sure you want to know WordPress.com as well. So WordPress.com is basically a free blogging platform by Automatic, alright? It's parent company. However, it comes with paid add-ons. It does come with paid add-ons, but the only limitation over here is there are no third-party plugins, alright? There are many limitations which are technical, but the non-technical which we guys can understand is there are no third-party plugins. Alright, there are no third-party plugins. It does have custom domain and it does have paid themes. So basically, if you are simply going for a free blogging platform and if you are not investing any money, if you are not going for a paid add-on like this, and if you are simply going for free blogging platform by Automatic, then your website would look something like your domain name.wordpress.com. So let's take an example. Let's take an example of this same website, which is digitalmarketingforfree.com. You can always visit www.digitalmarketingforfree.com because it is built upon WordPress.org. However, let's assume that I would have built that website on WordPress.com, then my website URL address would be something like www.digitalmarketingforfree.wordpress.com. It would have never been .com. It would have never removed WordPress if I'm simply going with a free blogging platform, which is WordPress.com. Obviously, if I go with a custom domain, which is once again a paid option, which any which ways you are paying over here, and is a better option over here because it's self-hosted. So if you're going with the paid option, obviously it can be www.digitalmarketingforfree.com or your website name.com. Alright, but over here in the free option, it is your domain name.wordpress.com, and that doesn't look serious. Alright, people who are watching this kind of website, this kind of blog, they come to know this is not a professional. The first impression, alright, for me personally, I think that first impression is not the lasting impression or not the last impression, but first impression may be a lasting impression. Alright, so just make sure if you are serious about your future in blogging, and if you're serious about building your online business, online website, WordPress.org is the option for you because it's a self-hosted WordPress blog which comes with a lot of options. Also, it's not so serious it's for not so serious individuals. Alright, so if you're serious and if you're trying to make money online, alright, by blogging, and if you want to have total control and you want a complete solution, WordPress.org is the only option. Alright, WordPress.org is the only option. Awesome. So now that you are aware about WordPress.org, which is for serious people who are serious into blogging, who are serious into website, and who are serious about their online business, they should be going for WordPress.org. So now that you are serious about that, and if you are looking to build your WordPress website on WordPress.org, what all things you should be having? You should be having your own domain, you should be having your website hosting, and you should be having the DNS servers pointing to same location. Now, if you are not aware about any of these, you can just refer to this link which is right over here or in the description below this video, or you can just click on this right I tab right over here, right? I tab. Click on that and visit the website. There are step-by-step instruction, and then come back over here, or you can just refer to this guide and you can install your WordPress copy. So now I'm going to be jumping into my laptop again, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to step-by-step install WordPress.org on a fresh domain which I have recently purchased. So let's dive into that. So you might have changed the DNS server and now you want to install WordPress copy. So log into your Bluehost account or whatever hosting account you are using. For me, it is Bluehost. So I have logged into my Bluehost hosting account and search for install WordPress. Click on install WordPress, and on the next page, it will ask you to select the domain for installation. Now, if you have multiple domains assigned on your hosting account, it will show you a list. If you have only one, then that would be the one which you have to select. So for me, it would be crushingit.online, but I want to install that without www. So I will select crushingit.online. This is the domain which I want to install my WordPress upon. It might be for you something like abc.com or howtomakemoneyonline.com, anything. For you, it would be anything. So select your domain, make sure this is empty. You don't want anything like directory, because if you, let's say if I write anything over here like blog, right? Now what will happen is the WordPress which you will install would be on www. or crushing it online or your domain. Over here it would be your domain. So for me, what will happen in this case is the WordPress would be installed on crushingit.online/blog, and in that case the home page would not be crushingit.online, or in your case the home page won't be example.com, anything. All right, it would be example.com/blog. You don't want that. So if you want a separate copy, only then you have to mention the directory. But for this, I would not enter any directory. It will be plain because I want WordPress site to be installed on this thing. So I'll click on next, and on this page, which is the next page, it will ask us to enter the admin information. So just enter the site title which you want over here, or the site name. Obviously, you can change this later on once you customize your WordPress website, but you can just enter anything over here, or you can keep it like this as well. That's perfectly all right. Enter your admin username over here, admin email address, and admin password. So I'm going to be changing all of these, and I'm going to click on next. Make sure all these 3 tick marks are checked. So once you are done with this, click on next. And as you can see, once you tap on next, it will start installing the WordPress. And after a couple of seconds, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, it would be all done, and you will receive an email with your login details. And that's it for this particular video, guys. This is how you install your WordPress copy on your domain. So I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching this vlog episode, and I hope now that you are clear with WordPress.org, you will succeed with your blogging thing, you will succeed with your online business, and I wish you all the luck for your digital life. That's it for this particular episode. I look forward to see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye-bye, and as always, guys, stay awesome, God bless, and if you haven't, then subscribe.